So hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry. Hope you guys and gals are all doing fantastic out there. So I got a pretty cool, quick little video here for you today for all of you techies out there that like to post, screenshots of your phone on social media. Maybe you have a pretty cool home screen set up on your Android phone, but just posting a regular screenshot of your home screen and whatnot, it seems kind of boring, seems kind of bland, but you want to spice it up a little bit, right? Well, you might know online there are a lot of publications out there that look like they took a photo of their home screen on their phone and posted that, but in reality it's actually a mock-up. And turns out there is a really cool app for Android that you can do just that. There's a similar thing on iOS, but right now I'm going to just go over it on my S24 Ultra. And you know what, folks, here for real, shout out to user on X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, Anxious Holly. I'll actually put a link to her tweet in the pinned comment below. She's where I found this, and it's really cool here. Okay, so the app on the Google Play Store is called Creative App. Okay, editing Terry here. There is one thing I forgot to mention here in my excitement to make this video for you all. So sorry that the app itself is free, but whenever you go to save your mockups or whatever, there is a limitation to where you can't just save it. You have to watch a little advertisement. But the good news though, folks, is that if you want to buy lifetime access to the app the way that I did, it's like $6, so it's very inexpensive, and if you're a creative person, I think it's well worth the $6. Anyway though, back to the video. And it's really simple to make a mock-up of basically any phone you essentially want to, or if they have a template that's already uploaded to their app here, you got to just search for it and it's right there at your fingertips. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, now once it's downloaded to your phone, go ahead and open it up, again, Creative App. And to get to the mockup section, all you want to do is click the little hamburger menu up top. Then you want to go down to the mockup section here. Now, for me, the S24 Ultra is already the first selection of phones here, but if there's something you want, you could search for it, or you could just scroll through it here, okay? Now, my favorite ones are actually the blank templates. So this way here, I can actually add my home screen plus a custom background, okay? So I'm going to show you guys and gals how to do that right now. So let's see, for this one here, I think I want to do the one with the S Pen out. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, then I'm going to hit Use Template. And then to actually add my home screen to the phone in the template, I want to hit the little plus sign. Then I'm going to scroll down, find a screenshot of my home screen. And as you can see, it automatically adds it to the template for you. And it actually selects a background color based off the, the colors and everything inside of the screenshot that you used. But I actually want to use something a little bit different here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit background. I'm going to go ahead and hit the little picture icon here to select one from my gallery. And I have a pretty cool little brick texture background I downloaded from Unsplash. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now that does look pretty cool, but we want to be artsy here, right? We want to be fancy. So I'm going to use this little slider here, and I'm going to blur out that background just a little bit. Then after that, I'm going to hit the check mark to say that I'm done. And then all you got to do is hit the little save icon right there, and it's saved to your device. And just to double check that, folks, I'm going to open up my gallery, and sure enough, there it is. And it's really cool because I was looking for something like this for a long time. I kind of figured that there was an app for it, but for the longest time I was just making these kind of things in Photoshop with templates I found online. But the fact that there's apps you can do that now directly on a phone, that is really cool. And hey, you know what? Again, for real, shout out to Anxious Holly, and just to reiterate, I'll have everything pinned down below to her pinned tweet and all that stuff. You can go check it out. But yeah, just a really quick little short video for you all today. Hope you guys and gals are all having, again, a fantastic day. Thanks a lot for coming by, and I'll catch you all next time.